So what I'm going to do now is just enter the my hall ticket number and nothing else. What I'll do right now is I'll press F12 on my keyboard, which gives this thing. This is called instant. You can inspect this. This is called developers thing. So this you can control everything here, right here. What I'm going to do right now is like I'm just going to paste my code which I hosted here. So what I'll do is I'll just copy entire thing and I'll paste this here and press enter. So this code is saving. This entire code is on the console and it is got executed. What I do is I just press submit. So I get my entire hall ticket. So if you want to understand the process step by step, first thing what you need to do, if you there is another alternative where you can see the result is here. You go to networks and then you press get results, this thing, and here you press preview. You can see entire results over here. Other thing, sometimes you might get an error, uh, most of the times because it's JNTU. Lastly, if you want to see the code, what they are doing right here is if you go to this functions, this is the code source Java, JS and functions. What they're using is they're using a jQuery library. So if you don't open this page, if this page doesn't open, this doesn't execute at all. My code doesn't work. So because most of the people have a problem right here with this thing, this page opens, but your sometimes this image doesn't open. Sometimes you don't get the result. It says server is busy, all the things. So that is why I hacked it. Most of the things here is the most important thing in this code. The what JNTU has written is here. So what it is taking is whenever you submit the button, you want to see the button. Right, I'll just reload the page, another page. Sure, because I have modified the code. So when I do that, when I see the submit button, what it has is it has fetch college name and all these things, which is calling a function when you submit, right? This function which you can see on click this. So what it's going is it's doing is going to the source JS file and functions. It's going to this fetch college. So when you do this, entire things come down, and here this thing goes as hall ticket number, whatever you enter here, and you don't really require this because this is dumb. Because security code, you can just get the security code by doing anything. That is waste anyway. So another thing is this thing data and e-code. Mm-hmm. Fetch college, and if you go here, so now if you go here, what they are doing is they're calling a URL called get result. Entirely it will say here, wait, see, it's when it is passing, it goes to get result, and then it goes to it gives your hall ticket with an e-code. What is an e-code? E-code is what they're doing for e-code is they're generating an e-code for every results page. So this is a e-code for that. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting this number and submitting for everything. So it works. Later when you see entire code, after the data is received, it will show like this. It will be saved in id called result, and it will share this HTML and put the data in it. So the data here, it says it's a JSON object, but it's not a JSON object. It's a pure HTML object, and that is how it continues. If the data is received, it shows this. If the data is received also, sometimes if it is nothing, it will give hall ticket invalid. So most of the times when I tried yesterday, I got only this. So if you don't get more than once, what you just do is, say if I don't get this message, what I'll enter another someone else's hall ticket number. Let me try my friends. I guess that won't work, but I'm just trying it. Some guy, okay, 99 is my friend, submitting it, and here when I go to network, I got the result, and it's previewing us again the same thing. I'll submit it again, getting the same thing. See, you are accessing too many all tickets. Try again. This is a message when you access too many. So what I'm saying is access it only for your thing, and later after 1 minute you can access the can go to the same page and access your friend's request. This is better to use only to know your score instantaneously. So what I did yesterday to know my friends and everyone's thing is I submitted this 10 times, so at least one time the request will pass and get me a perfect result. So the code is here, which I will post a link below shortly. And if you see this code, what it's doing is it's getting the entire on click button which you saw here on the submit button. It's getting the entire submit button and splitting the exclamations and getting that thing called, I don't remember, that thing which is this unique code, and it's getting here, and then the hall ticket value which you entered here, and then it's passing the variable. Whenever you click submit, it passes game on, and game on function is here. When it gives entire things here, and just passes the post request and to JNTU results and your hall ticket with that code. So you get your entire results. That is about it. Thank you. Bye.